today's video, we're going to be doing this Cabbage Patch Kid centerpiece from the dollar store. You're going to need these little pots that it came two in a pack, as well as succulent pigs. I got these as well at the dollar store. There were many other different ones. I got only two of this kind. You're also going to need dry foam. This is the floral dry foam, and I also got it at the dollar store. Basically everything was from the dollar store. And we also got some wooden dowels that I show you. These ones I like because they were already cut for me and I didn't need to make like a huge mess. I cut it again, but it's not like a big mess if they were complete, like the whole bar, I would say. These ones are easy to cut. If it doesn't fit, you can just snip in one end from the scissors and it cuts. I'm trying to cut it with my hand. Not a good idea. But you would also need, look at that, I'm showing you how to cut it. Look at, easy to cut right away. Pop, and it's done. To put it right inside of the pot. You will need hot glue and a hot glue gun, of course. Mine is the Ryobi one. I did a review about this one. I love it. It's really convenient to have the battery and not have the cord. And I think we're gonna go ahead and get started now. Ta-da! What you do? You grab on your pot, your piece of here, hot glue the bottom, put your piece of floral foam in there, and what we're gonna do to the succulent pigs is going to be a little shortcut. This do come off. Look at that. So we're going to, at the beginning, we're going to put a little bit of hot glue right there, so that one actually sticks a little bit better because we don't want them to come off. Kind of pinch them a little bit. And then now right here at the bottom, they're little ridges. And then right there, we're going to go ahead and pinch with our scissors. And that's going to break it. This one has a little bit of a little wire right inside. So we don't want this whole very thick plastic in there. So we have the wire. This wire, we're going to bend it just like that. And now on our other one, we're going to do the same thing. Right at the end, we're going to cut. This one does not have a wire like the other one did, but it's easier to cut. And this is what we're going to do. Now, right here that we have this, right at the bottom, I'm still going to put a little bit of hot glue just because I want to secure it a little more. Also, this one that I have here is not going to happen to everything. I'm going to be cutting the very end ones because it's a little bit bushy for my taste. So I'm going to cut them. They're plastic, so it's perfectly fine. They're just for, and I'm going to cut them just for it to look a little bit less high up. So we're going to go ahead and insert it right, mostly like at the end of it, like one corner of it. And we're going to push right there. Look at that. That is already there. We're going to do the same thing to the other one. I'm going to hot glue a little bit right here at the top as well. And right here on the end. Make sure you don't burn yourself. And we're going to do the same thing right on the other end. Kind of slanted. And then pushing. This one, since it's just plastic, it's a little bit more delicate. We're going to go ahead and push. And that's it. Now what you're going to do with the petals of the succulent here, the pig, is just to kind of like push them down. Arrange them how you please. And there you have your thing. Now, to hide your styrofoam, you're going to need tissue paper, which I forgot to mention to you. And this is just little pieces that you're going to make just to hide in there. You can also put hot glue in them, just a little bit. If not, it's fine. You just want to hide. You're just going to tuck it in there, tuck them like that, and then tuck the other side, just so it doesn't look empty or anything like that, just for looks, you know what I mean. just for the looks. Oh, sorry. Just like that. Now on our pick, on our dowel, our wood dowel, I'm going to be covering it with washi tape that I have here, pink. It's easy. You can you can obviously leave it like how it is, but I just want to cover it. You can since washi tape is made out of paper, it's easily to cut. But look at this. You can just cover it. If you like, you can paint them. You can do anything you want. And now that we have this, if you were to have a machine, not a machine, an image, you get your image. Now here, I'm also going to hot glue it. So I'm going to put the hot glue first. And then I'm going to put my dowel right about there. Not too high, not too low. Just enough that it grabs onto the paper and then the dowel. I'm going to cut my paper right there so it helps me stabilize it so it looks the same, or like uniformly the same. I'm going to cut another little piece, and looks like it's like that. And now make sure it's centered. Mine's a little bit slanted, but I can move it really quick if it's still hot. There you go. Now it's the same. Now I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue right at the end as well on my dowel right there, and I'm going to look for the best spot to put it, and I think the best spot is right here on the back. So I'm going to make a little space right from the paper and then stick it right where we have the dry foam as well. We don't want to just stick it on the thing. We push. Oh gosh. We push right hard. There we go. Now we're going to tuck it out a little bit, just like that. We go back, arrange our little paper, just like that. Now I did have 2 stickers, so I'm going to be putting another sticker right at the end right here for my daughter's thing. And I'm going to put it right in the middle. Right in the middle. And spread out. Just like that. And it has that's how it looks. Cabbage Patch Kids, Layla's first birthday, little centerpiece, or you can also put it in the table center of the table, that candy table. I can't think. And that's how easy and pretty affordable this is. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like this one. It's very retro, but they look so cute. Very affordable, and hopefully you guys like it and try it. I did take out the image from Pinterest. This is actually the exact same image from a retro and actual invitation from Cabbage Patch, but I did a bunch of other things. I did order the stickers from Vista Print, and I laminated them at my house. But other than that, that is all for today's video. Hopefully you guys like it. Thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.